Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and shout out to Lenovo for actually sending me out their latest convertible laptop here. So yeah, I'm actually working with Lenovo now. We got the 2022 14-inch Yoga 9i here with the UHD screen, and this thing is hopefully going to be interesting because this thing got a pretty steep price tag, and I want to go and check this out. On top of that, I never had a Lenovo laptop before. I only had things like my Galaxy Book here. But anyway, y'all know what we gotta do. Let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so we're back here again at the legendary unboxing table, and the hype is real, man. So again, shout out to Lenovo for sending me out their latest Yoga laptop. Like, this is kind of surreal, man. It's crazy. I'm building all these partnerships with these companies like Google, and now there's Lenovo, and it's just like, oh man, this is gonna be dope. So like I was saying, I never had a Lenovo laptop before, but I really wanted one, and I always wanted a ThinkPad, but my brother got a Yoga laptop, and he had his for a while now, and he loves this, so we'll see about this. Also, what's interesting about this is that I got a 14-inch laptop, so I never had one, and I always thought I wanted one anyway, so I guess we'll see when I get this. I've always had a 13-inch or a 15-inch laptop because that's really the only options that I had. Samsung, because I do buy Galaxy Books. I've always felt like 14 inches will be like a good middle ground because 13 inches just like a little bit too small for me, even though that's like my better size, or like 15 inches just way too big for me. That's what she said. But I also want to bust into this because what also caught my interest with this is that this thing got a hefty price tag, alright? Like, this thing is almost gonna run you $2,000. I never had a laptop that expensive before. My Galaxy Fold is that expensive, but never my laptop. My most expensive laptop was like 1,400 bucks. So alright, let's go and get into this, man. So we got the Yoga laptop here, and they also sent me this laptop sleeve here, so we'll go and look at that in a second. But we got Yoga by Lenovo here, and it came in another box, but I'm not really sure if that really mattered or not. It had a little Lenovo logo on it, but again, I don't really think it mattered. It came with a charger in there though. We'll see if there's a charger in here or not. But anyway, looking on the left side, we have all the different ways we can put the laptop. If we look on the back here, look at this color scheme here, man. That looks dope right now. And then we got the Lenovo logo here, as you can see. But besides that, just looking around the box, that's pretty much it. It's a nice looking box, I can't lie, with the Yoga and the Lenovo logo here. So let's go and get this thing open here. And here we go. We got our Yoga laptop. Oh man, this thing's looking clean already. So let's go and get this up out of here real quick. And okay, it already definitely got some weight to it. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. So let's go and throw that to the side real quick. And let's look inside the rest of the box here. So we do have a pen here. So as you can see here, I'm not sure if this is the Microsoft Stylus one that works with all the different functions on Windows, but we'll see. But it's definitely a nice pen. It got some weight to it, and it kind of looked like an Apple Pencil. Also, you can see here that we have a replacement too. We have our Yoga user manual in here, but let's go and get that out real quick. And y'all know we do with this. We throw it to the side as always. And I guess that's pretty much it. So I guess that charger was supposed to be in the other box. Now here's something I just found out by Lenovo. So with all their reviewers, they don't let anybody keep their laptops. It's just only a review period they can keep it through. So I guess that's how it is for me. But it is what it is. I still appreciate the opportunity. As for the charger, we do have a 65-watt USB-C cable. So I don't appreciate that we actually have a power supply right here. I wish it was just built into this. As for the actual laptop itself, if you want to go and buy this from Best Buy, it's going to be on sale next month. That's all they told me. They ain't really getting me any more details than that, so I guess look around for that next month. But looking around the laptop right here, as you can see, it looks pretty clean. We have a Lenovo logo with Yoga here on the front, and if we go ahead and flip it around real quick on the back, we have some vents. So on the left side, you get a full-size USB-A port. You don't see it a lot nowadays. They're starting to make a comeback, kind of, but they're still not there yet. You're also getting two Thunderbolt 4 ports with a charging indicator, which means you can only charge from this port, which I really don't like. And then on the right side, you're getting a speaker. On the right side, we're getting another speaker, a power button with another LED indicator. We're getting a regular USB-C port, so no Thunderbolt. And then we're getting a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the back, you're actually getting a rotating soundbar, so this whole thing right here is just a speaker. Taking a look at the base while the laptop's folded up, because it is a 2-in-1 like I was already telling y'all. We're getting a pretty spacious keyboard right here, so it's not going to be a full-size keyboard or anything, but you're going to get some multimedia keys over here on the side with the fingerprint scanner. And they're even giving us some generous space with the trackpad, so I appreciate that. You can see that we got the Intel Evo i7 sticker, and then we got this sticker right here with some specs. And then we got sound by Bowers and Wilkins, which I never heard of in my life. But going ahead and putting this back in the regular mode, as you can see, we have that 360-degree rotating soundbar here again, so you can see it's real nice, man. I'm telling y'all, I'm loving it on here so far. Now, as for the actual screen, we have this nice 14-inch 2880 by 1800 display with an OLED panel. As for the actual camera area, you can see right here that we have a time of flight sensor, which you can use for Windows Hello to unlock with your face. But besides that, check this out. We have a physical slide switch here for the camera, so you can go and physically cover it. So, you know, if you got your tinfoil hat on, or maybe you're over here scrolling in incognito, like, don't pretend you don't know what I'm talking about. If you're over here in incognito and you're over here getting busy, you want to make sure nobody watching you, just go ahead and hit that switch over there real quick, alright? Alright, man, let's go and get this thing open real quick. So I'm hyped. So here we go. We got the Lenovo logo here, as you can see, and then we have this paper. So let's go and throw that to the side real quick. As for right now, though, I want to go and cut it right there, y'all. So I don't want to get too far into the laptop. It's just an unboxing and first impressions. But my first impressions, this thing just feels nice. It got more weight than I wanted to, but it's still nice. I think I'm just really spoiled with Ultrabooks at this point, but let's just go and look at this laptop sleeve real quick because this is official Yoga laptop sleeve. I'm not sure if it comes with the retail unit, but looking inside this real quick, let's go and get this foam padding out of here. And just already, it feels pretty nice. Made from recycled fabric. To be honest with y'all, I really don't care. But you can just go ahead and take your Yoga, slide it right into there, and then just close it up like that. And it looks nice. And it's also magnetic here, as you can see. But on top of that, if you go ahead and look into this, we actually have an additional pocket. So you could probably put your laptop in there or just other documents. As for this here at the top, just take your pen, slide it right in there, and bang, just good to go like that. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna go and get up out of here. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this. Again, shout out to Lenovo for hooking me up. I really appreciate y'all. And like I said, we'll see if this thing is worth $2,000 because I really need to know if it's gonna be worth it or not to pay all that money, because I'm not just gonna be like, oh yeah, it's nice, you should pay $2,000. No, you should probably look at some other alternatives if there's something better. But alright, y'all, thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media at Eccentric on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter is the most active. And y'all, do me the favor and let me know what you want to see with this Lenovo Yoga here. Do you want to see any gameplay tests or whatever? Just let me know in the comments below. But alright, y'all, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and peace out.